Ready to unlock the power of automated crypto trading and real-time market insights? Let's dive straight into setting up the Coinbase API. First, you'll need a Coinbase account. Head over to Coinbase.com and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings section. Click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select settings from the drop-down. Next, in the settings menu, look for the API tab. It might be listed under security or developer settings. Depending on your Coinbase account type, click on the API tab. Now, you'll see the option to create a new API key. Click on Create API Key or No API Key. You might be prompted to enable two-factor authentication. Make sure you have this set up for enhanced security. Fill out the API key creation form. Give your key a descriptive name, like trading bot or market data. Critically, select the necessary permissions. Start with wallet accounts thread. If you just want to view your accounts for trading, you'll need wallet buy script, wallet sell script, and relevant access. Be conservative with permissions. Only grant what you absolutely need. Once you've configured the permissions, click Create. You'll be presented with your API key and API secret. This is extremely important. Store these in a safe place. This is the only time you'll see the secret, and if you lose it, you'll have to generate a new API key. Never share your API secret. With your keys secured, you're ready to start making API calls. Use your programming language of choice, like Python or JavaScript, along with a library like Requests or Axios, or a platform like Postman, to send authenticated requests. Remember to include the API key in the Kakaski header, and generate a signature using the API secret. Refer to Coinbase's official API documentation for the specific headers and request formats. Be mindful of Coinbase's rate limits. Exceeding them can lead to your API access being temporarily restricted. Implement error handling and back-off strategies in your code. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Coinbase API. Remember to always prioritize security, understand the documentation, and happy coding.